What's going on, you guys? Paul here with Paul's Performance, and in today's video we're going to get the TDI Toyota aligned. From where we previously installed our leveling kit, as some of you know, the front end is now ka-chowed. So we're going to get that straightened up. Luckily, my dad has recently bought an old Bear alignment machine, so I can do my alignment here at the shop now. So let's get outside and join the old man. Guys, so we got the alignment complete on the truck, got everything within the green on the machine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it up the road and make sure everything's good, which I'm sure it is, because the alignment machine's been pretty good so far. We're going to go test drive it, and then all we have to do is straighten up the old steering wheel, which, as you Toyota guys know, just unbolt the steering wheel, remove it. It doesn't have any sort of specialty spline. You can turn it all which ways. We're going to get that straightened, and then we're done, and then I'm back to being able to daily drive it. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks. I've missed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.